Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to make this beautiful string pulling art or thread art. So this is what we need. We need some aqua colors, like I'm using watercolor, and you can use acrylic color or poster color or gouache color. Okay, so because I am happy to do watercolor very much, so I love it. And you need some thread like this, a thicker one. Actually, this should be strong enough, because when you hold it and press it and then gently pull it, it should not break in the middle. So this is how I'm dipping it into the color. You can apply any color of your choice. I'm starting with the lighter tone. So first of all, I'm using the dark yellow color, golden color you can say, and take it out from the palette. Now you can use a palette, that would be better, but you know I am very lazy about this, and I'm directly dipping the thread in my color palette. Okay, so now spread it in random shape on your sketchbook or on the paper, and now we're going to cover it with another paper, any rough paper you can use, and the other part, pull it gently, the other part of the thread, and now just see how beautiful it is, right? So just like that, I'm applying some more patterns like this. Actually, for this art you don't need to be creative, it just need to be playful, and this is a fun type of art actually, but the effect is very satisfying, very beautiful. So once you try, you will love to try it more and more, again and again, with different colors, with different shapes. So now I think my thread is more wet, so it's like that, but now I am using the orange color, and now gently take it out from the palette, and slowly spread it on the paper. So every time you try this, try to place the thread in different ways, different patterns, so the designs will come out differently. Now I'm pressing paper, hold it tight, and pull the end part of the thread like this. So now see, yeah, this one is much better, right? I love this. The pattern is very beautiful, and that is how I'm going to make more designs. And after that, you can do something else up with a pen or sketch pen or any, like pencil colors or oil oil pastel or any color you use to make some more designs. You can make it a mixed media art. You can call it a type of abstract art or modern art or whimsical painting, anything you can call it. So the designs are very pretty, and I hope you enjoy the video. Watch the video till the end, and please subscribe to my channel, watch my video, share my video, and keep doing some artwork with me. So this is all for today, and watch my video till the end. Have a good day. Bye bye.